Hello again, it's Dean here from Early Bird Philanthropy. Legacy giving can feel like an advanced topic, but it's a vital tool for creating sustainable long-term support for your charity. Legacy giving refers to donations made through a person's will, estate plans, or other financial products rather than immediate gifts. It allows donors to make significant contributions that might not be possible during their lifetime. The key to promoting legacy giving is sensitivity and trust. Donors should never feel pressured. Instead, offer clear information, guidance, and reassurance that their support will have a lasting impact. Highlight stories of how legacy gifts have changed lives, but always keep the focus on the donor's values and wishes. Introduce the concept gently and over time. Include information in newsletters, on your website, and through one-to-one conversations with long-term supporters. Make sure your messaging is transparent, respectful, and easy to understand. Finally, as always, recognition matters. While some donors prefer anonymity, those who choose public acknowledgement often appreciate seeing their legacies celebrated in a meaningful way. If you'd like help developing a legacy giving program that's ethical, approachable and effective, Early Bird Philanthropy would be delighted to support you. Just get in touch. Thank you as always for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you'd like to learn more about Early Bird Philanthropy, head to our website at earlybirdphilanthropy.com. Thank you.